Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online, and I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page. We can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a great way to relax your sore feet because it is an electric foot massager that also has super soothing heat. So this was sent over by a company called RENPHO, and this is their Solheel model. And as you can see, it's right here in front of me. Now, naturally, you are going to get a user manual and a quick start guide. You can take a gander at this because it's going to basically go over the various features that we are basically about to cover ourselves here. So it's going to plug into just a standard wall outlet. It plugs in on the back side, and then you're also going to notice on the bottom it has these nice little suction cups. So if you do have a kind of hard floor like wood floors or anything like that, it will go ahead and suction cup and keeps it from sliding around if you're moving your feet. It's a nice little touch feature. Obviously, if you're in your carpet, it's not going to slide around to begin with. As far as the controls, they're all right here in the front, so they're very easy to control. It doesn't have a remote or anything like that. Simply go ahead and tap the power button to turn it on. When it turns on, it's going to go ahead and automatically have that heat function on, because this thing can heat up to approximately 131 degrees on the heating mechanism itself, so your feet can get nice and toasty. It's very comfortable in the wintertime, for example. That's when I like it, or if you just have wanting to soothe those sore feet. Now, if you don't want the heating mode, just simply hold down the power button and it will turn off that heating option. Next to the heating, you're going to have the timer option. So by default, this thing is going to have a 30-minute timer. However, you can also adjust it. By default, it's going to have a 15-minute timer. However, if you want it longer, you can double that and make it a 30-minute timer by pressing the button again. So go ahead and just tap the button to go between your selections, and it will show you that it has a white color to a red color. Then you're going to have essentially your kneading mode. It's going to have two different kneading modes, or I should say speeds, if you will. Go ahead and tap it, and then it's going to increase it in the speed. You're just going to be able to feel it moving on the bottom of your feet, because that's where the kneading mechanisms are. So they are targeting the kneading mechanisms, for example, are kind of targeting your heel and also the arch of your foot. As far as the zones, those are targeting. Now, next to the kneading, you're going to have the pressure. That's the air pressure part, or the squeezing element of that. You're going to have three intensities. So simply press it. You're going to have a low, the green is medium, and the red is high. And it's just basically going to go ahead and how much it's squeezing. The squeezing area is targeting essentially your heel, and then kind of the top of your foot or your inseam. So it's pushing kind of down in that zone itself. And then it's also kind of like a little bit on the sides as well. Now, if you don't like the kneading or you don't like the pressure, those can be turned off independent from each other. So just continue to press the button until the light goes out. So it's very customizable to your experience. Even if you just want heat, you can literally just have the heat on, and that's it. So it's up to you on how you want to utilize this. Now, as far as shoe size, this is designed to fit shoe sizes all the way up to a size 13. So pretty much everybody can go ahead and put their feet in there. If you have smaller feet, you may want to have your feet a little bit more forward, depending on where you're wanting those kneading elements. So you can kind of have room to move your foot around inside the element. And then once it's in place, that kind of pressure compression will keep it in place as well. As far as operation, it is pretty quiet. So if you have this sitting at the office, or you're utilizing this while watching a movie, it's not going to disturb you or anything like that. It's very low when it comes to sound. And then as far as maintenance and cleaning, the fit inserts, if you do ever want to wash these, they do have a little zipper, so you can simply unzip them, toss them in the machine wash, and then zip them back up, and you're good to go again. So overall, like I said, if you're just looking for a great little foot massager with kneading, compression, and heat, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit them out in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.